Yes,
Afternoon,
good
ma'am.
afternoon. Yes, good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm I'm doing great, ma'am. Thanks for asking me. How about you?
Yes, I am also pretty well.
Yeah, now I'm very excited and super energetic to have this session, ma'am.
Okay, I am also very thrilled to talk to you.
It's my pleasure, ma'am.
Okay,
So,
thank you.
yeah, ma'am. So, how was your day, ma'am, so far?
Yes, so far so good.
Okay, ma'am. We are meeting very first time. So, shall we start with introduction, ma'am?
Okay. Yes,
So,
definitely. So,
yeah, ma'am.
yes,
So, I introduce myself first. Okay, ma'am?
okay.
Yeah. So as you know that my name is Kiran Sao. I am from West Bengal and I am a homemaker and mother of two adorable boy. About my education, so I have done my BCom honors and about my hobbies, so reading, cooking and interact new people. These are my hobbies. So that's pretty much about me, ma'am. May I know something about you, ma'am?
Okay. Yes, sure. Yes, and nice introduce.
Thank
You were introducing nicely. Yes, my name is Ranjana. Okay, first of all, thank you for asking. My name is Ranjana Srivastava. I am from Delhi and I am doing my own business. I am married lady. I am mother of two kids. Moreover, I am a YouTuber too. This is all about me, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. Good. Amazing introduction, ma'am, from your side.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, ma'am. So I want to something question for you, something ask question
Yes,
for you. But if now you have any question, then you ask. Then after I will ask. Okay, ma'am. Do you have any question
yes.
to ask me?
Yes. I have question. Now tell me, ma'am, when did you feel? So English is very important for us. Tell me, just tell me some moment.
Yeah, ma'am. Definitely, I would like to share with you my experience. English. Initially, I felt that English is very important, but I couldn't get I can say that I couldn't get like a environment of English. So that's why I was not able to learn English. Okay, ma'am. But now go when I went to my children's school, that time I got to know that my children were suffering from English language. Okay, so that's why I felt that this is a language and definitely I have to learn. Okay, ma'am. And now there are so many I can say that AI and so many tools that we can learn work from home English language, right, ma'am? They
Yes.
work from not at home. Yeah, ma'am. Nowadays we can say that at home we can learn English language. So that's why I am learning this language. And earlier it was not a facility for me to learn English language. So now I'm available for learning. So that's why I'm learning this language from at home.
Okay. Yes, very nice. Okay, you are putting your effort. So it's a
Yeah, I'm
appreciation,
trying
you
to
can
be.
say.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm trying to my label based. That's why, ma'am.
Yes, we should learn this language. Okay, nowadays English is a global language, and from my perspective, everyone should learn this language. If you talk about homemaker, girls, or main person, children, say yes. If you talk about any kind of field, so yes, in office they conduct meeting in English. In school they conduct meeting, parents meeting in English language. So yes, homemaker they feel difficulty like ladies, and you can say mother and parent, mother and father, both sometimes they are not able to speak. That time they feel difficulty, so how to communicate with teachers? Yes, so yes, everyone should learn this language.
Yeah. It's a true, ma'am, because you know what? If you don't know how to speak in English, so that time you feel embarrassment that I don't know
Yes.
English, so that's why I'm not able to understand English language. Okay, so it's better that there is so many facility that audio call, video call, so many facility we can say. So why not we learn this language, right?
Yes, yes. Nowadays we have plethora of content on YouTube channel. If someone wants to learn this language or other thing also they want to learn, definitely they will learn. Okay,
Yeah,
with help of chat gpt, with help of social media, with help of YouTube channel, you can say Instagram, plethora of content we have in front of us. So yes, nowadays people they can learn easily
yeah,
everything.
absolutely, ma'am. It's true. And so, what about you, ma'am? There is there any moment that you felt embarrassment and like you felt that this language I have to learn?
Yeah, so many times you can say we felt in our life, like we feel in our life. So English is very compulsory because nowadays English is a trendy language, you can say. Okay, if someone, and in Indian culture, if someone speaks very well, two lines in English, that time we feel status of symbol, you can say. Yes, so we feel like they are well maintained or they are much educated person. So that time definitely we feel embarrassed, but no, in my life you can say yes. Last to last year maybe, or 2 years back, I visited Mumbai for Havan, and that time one person, he was speaking very well English language. Okay, like you can say water. Okay, easily he communicated with other people. So I saw them. I saw him. After that, I thought, so yes, uh, it is not my cup of tea, but if I will try this, I will try to learn this language. Definitely I will learn. And when I will be fluent in this language, so yes, I will create a YouTube channel, because some people like most of the ladies, you can say, most of the people, so yes, they want to learn. Okay, they
Yeah.
want to uh, yes, they want to get, you can say, they can get inspiration from us. This is my
So,
perspective.
ma'am, how old are your children?
My children, they are college going students. My daughter is elder one, she is 23 years old, and second one is son, he is 19 years old. So yes,
So the
both are college going students.
now they have grown up.
Yes, they have grown up. That is
Yeah,
why I'm trying to utilize my time for myself.
yeah, it's a good thing because we don't waste our time. Time is
Yes,
precious
doing
for
our
us, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, time is very precious for us. Yes.
Yeah.
If like my thinking, you can say, and every people, you can say, if we waste our time, so one day definitely time will waste like us.
Yeah, and we feel
Okay.
regret.
Yes, we feel regret.
Yeah. So instead of wasting time, we should utilize our time, right?
Yes, 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 ma'am. And you can say English is only one thing, so we can learn in any age.
So are you
Age
from,
doesn't matter.
yeah, ma'am, are you from English medium school?
No, ma'am, no. I am from Hindi background.
Yeah,
I have completed my all study graduation in Hindi medium only, not English. Now I started learning this language.
so many people inspired by you, ma'am.
Yes, I'm not a big YouTuber. I am also learner.
So
Still,
doesn't
I am
matter.
learning. Just I am trying to improve myself.
Yeah, it's a doesn't matter that you are not a big YouTuber, but many people, whatever people know you so far, definitely they inspired by you.
Yes, yes, because age is just a number, you can say.
Yeah.
Age is just a number. Okay, people they can learn in every age, like
Yeah.
any age, not every age, in any age. Yes.
But they have a desire for learning. Then after they learn. Otherwise,
Yes,
they can't.
yes. If they are, yes, ma'am, if they are
Mindset
dedicated, a
also
person.
depend. It's a
Yes,
mindset
yes,
is also
yes.
is a matter, right, ma'am?
Yes, if your goal is clear, then you can learn, I feel.
Yeah.
Why will be clear. Like, why do you want to learn this language? Okay. So if your why is clear, definitely you will learn. Okay. Anyhow.
So, ma'am, I want to ask you that what is your important, important lesson that you have learned in your life?
So, yes, in my life, always I think we shouldn't waste our time because time is very precious for everyone. And second thing is just I have mentioned. So, yes, age is doesn't matter like what is my age. If I am passionate for learning something, not only English, something, then we can learn.
The truth.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Definitely, it's a truth.
Tell, okay, tell me about you, ma'am. What inspired you to learn this language? Yes, yes. Maybe you have mentioned
Yeah, ma'am.
you
I have.
attended parents meeting. So nowadays, ma'am, do you speak with your teachers, like children's
Yeah,
teacher
class.
in
Yeah,
English
ma'am.
language?
Whenever I go, then when I want to ask something, so I try to be speak in English with the class teacher of my children.
Okay, very nice, very nice, very
So,
good
ma'am,
thing.
yeah, ma'am. So I want to you that tell me about your favorite memories that you always that makes you happy. Any type of memories?
So many memories, ma'am. You can say I feel like it's a very memorable day for my life because first time you can say my daughter, she was born that time. I you can say I was on cloud nine. Okay. So first time I am blessed, like I was blessed with one daughter because God has given me one daughter. See, so that time, yes, I felt very happiness. Okay. Second thing is, ma'am, you can say in my life always I want to uh, like I want to uh, admit in anything you can say. So yes, definitely I will get. Okay, I don't feel regret in my life.
You are a positive person.
Yes, I
Yeah,
am buzzing with positivity always.
yeah. So, what the thing that you make you stay you positive and energetic man? What are the things?
Yes, I do chant for Gayatri Mantra 324 times on daily basis. I have connected with Gayatri Parivar. My head branch is Santi Kunj Haridwar. My guru's name is Sri Ram Sarma Acharya. And my parents, my all family member, they have connected with spiritual things. They all are spiritual. So yes, when in morning time we listen something spiritual things, you can say bhajan or some spiritual talks, so our mental peace, okay, we get.
So every day you do, ma'am,
Yes,
bhajan
every day, every day.
in the evening,
Yes. No, morning.
morning.
Yes.
Yeah, my in-laws' house. Yeah, they are belongs to Gayatri Parivar, but I'm
Okay.
not that much into. But my mother-in-law, she is into Gayatri Parivar because most
Okay,
of time,
okay.
yeah, most of time uh, when I got married, that time I come came into my in-laws' house. That time my mother-in-law, she always um told me like this type of thing, Gayatri Parivar
Yes,
and
used to
Shanti
tell.
Kunj. Yeah, ma'am. It's
Yes.
located, I think, Kolkata. Santikun.
No, no, ma'am. In Haridwar, Uttarakhand.
Yeah, yeah.
Uttarakhand.
I forgot. Yeah, yeah, my mother-in-law told me that Haridwar. Yeah. Now
Yes.
I
So have
forgot.
you ever visited Shanti Kunj, Haridwar?
No, no. My mother-in-law, she went there. She had been, yeah, she has been
So many
there.
times.
Yeah. So many, not only one.
Okay, only one. If you will get time, definitely you will go there, ma'am.
Yeah, I
You
wish,
will
but
get peace and composers. Yes,
yeah,
very nice place.
it's spiritual
In
place.
summer vacation, ma'am, I go to Haridwar for 9 days. I stay, like I will stay 9 days in summer vacation every year.
Every year.
Yes, every year.
Okay,
Some
nice.
my children also, my children, they don't want to visit like other place. They want to visit only Shanti Kunj Haridwar.
Okay, nice. I definitely will
Yes.
go.
Yes, in morning time, ma'am, we feel very calm in that place, like in Shanti Kunj Haridwar.
Yeah, but in
Always.
Kolkata, I think related to Gayatri Parivar, something is situated in Kolkata, I think. I don't remember the name, but something is situated.
Yes, yes,
Have you
Shakti
heard
Peeth,
about?
Gayatri Shakti Peeth.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes, I know, I know. In
Gayatri
every
Shakti.
state, Shakti Peeth is, yes,
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
situated.
I forgot that time, so I didn't remember. But now I remember that something is situated in Kolkata related to Gayatri
Yes,
Parivar.
like a small temple, you can say.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's or sometime I heard that. Sometime I hear that here in West Bengal, Gayatri Bhajan. They put some pendal and so many bhajan. They they do. Most
Okay,
of
like
time
ma'am,
I.
when we do chant Gayatri mantra, so Gayatri mantra is a big chant, you can say. It's always give us positivity, I feel.
Yeah,
I
my
don't
mother-in-law,
feel
she
regret in my
does.
life when you can say just one moment you can say. Always
Yeah,
I feel positivity.
yeah. My mother-in-law, she does Gayatri month in the morning, and yes, they are always say something about Gayatri Parivar, Gayatri Bhajan, like this. They say.
Yes, yes, yes. Very, very nice place, ma'am. I feel my children also they have connected. In my childhood, first time I visited there, Shanti Kunj Haridwar with my parents. After that, I mesmerized that time. I and my sister also. So yes, we told my father. So yes, we don't want to go here and there. Just only Shanti Kunj Haridwar. Because if you talk about heaven, so yes, I feel Shanti Kunja is a heaven.
Definitely, I will go
Uh,
there.
yes, definitely you will visit there, ma'am.
Yeah, sir.
So
Okay,
if you
ma'am.
have any question, you can ask.
Yeah, so yeah, ma'am, I want to say that would you like to suggest something for a younger one that now you are a mature person, okay? So would you like to share something advice for uh, me means younger type of person? You would you like to suggest something?
Yes, yes, definitely. I will share some thoughts from my side because yes, nowadays children they have everything, but they don't have peace. I feel they don't have, you can say, uh, patience. So they like we are decreasing day by day our patience and you can say spiritual things and everything. So nowadays meditate, it's a very compulsory for us. Okay, evening time, daytime, or at noon you can do whenever you will get time, even like at least 5 minutes, I feel. And after that you feel definitely positive. And yes, first you are like first you become positive person. Okay, after that, you can spread some positivity in your surrounding, I feel. Because most of the children and like most of the people, my client also, they always ask from me, so ma'am, what is the reason behind this? Always I feel positivity when I talk with you. And till 12 o'clock, you can say till midnight, and since morning till midnight, always I feel energetic.
So that's why I ask that type of question, that how do you stay and you keep positive and energetic? Yeah, man. Because I
Yes, yes, yes.
looking you, some definitely person asks this question.
Yes, yes, I have mentioned. So yes, nowadays children, they are feeling always egoistic because they don't want to share with other person, like with their parents or teachers, you can say. But someone, they choose. After that, they can share their thoughts with them, I feel.
Yeah, true, man.
Yes, ma'am. If they don't have much time because they are busy in their life, nowadays competition is increasing day by day. So yes, only 5 minutes they sit in front of God, I feel.
Yeah,
This
it's
is
the
my
true, man.
thinking.
Only 5 minutes
Yeah.
we must give to God.
Yes. We should sitting in front of God. It very compulsory for us nowadays because you can say nowadays we have so many things. We have luxury life. We have everything. We have enough money. We have you can say different kinds of materialistic thing. But even though we feel always no, we are not satisfied in our life. So
Yeah,
that is why is if we sit in front of God, so God has great power. God is you can say uh, God has great power. So yes, definitely God gives us some positivity, some good thinking, or we can sit with other person also, and we can spread. Sometimes my client, ma'am, they can share everything with me. And they told me most of the time, so ma'am, I don't know which kind of positivity you have. Always we want to talk to them.
really.
So,
Yeah, ma'am.
yes,
I
really.
think she yeah, I think she said right. She was saying right.
Thank you so much. Yes, but it is very good thing because nowadays, na ma'am, we have some person. If we have, then we can share some thoughts because sometimes we don't want to share with our family member. We don't want to share with you can say friends also. So many things. But if like someone they have positivity, they can share. I
Yeah,
feel.
yeah, it's a true, man. So anything else, ma'am? Do you want to ask? Time, I think we have time, right? So anything else, ma'am? Do
Okay.
you want?
Yes, yes. I first question, yes, I asked from you. Second question goes to you. Tell me, what does success mean to you?
Success
What
means
is mean? Yes. What does it mean, success?
yeah, success means I think not earning so many money. Success means I think according to me satisfaction. If you have a
Yes.
satisfaction, then you are a success man. Okay, and no, if you all time just try to earn money and just to run behind money, so there is no success. If you are a if you are satisfied with your health, and if you are a healthy person, okay, and you are earn money, that you whatever I mean if you earn money as per need, okay, and if you are a positive mindset, so you are a success person.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I totally agree with your points. Yes, because you can say in nowadays, you can say we are living in digital era, and in this era, we have everything. We have different kinds of luxury things. You can say social media, laptop, TV, AC, car, bungalow, everything. But we don't have what kind of things?
Peace.
Only positivity.
Yeah,
And people, they are running they are running with only money, I feel.
yeah. I
They are
think,
not running with money only. They are, you can say, they have rat race life. So
yeah, yeah.
yes,
Very
as
true.
much as they can earn money, they spend in their life, and even though they are not satisfied with their money, their life. Yes.
Because I think this type of person, they should give time some to God, at least 5 minutes. Then after they definitely get peace. Okay, and they
Yeah.
stay motivate and positivity. I think
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, yes. You are saying right. You are giving your
without
point very good.
yeah. So, ma'am, I think
You have any question? You can ask.
no, ma'am, I don't have any question right now, and I think
Okay, so I want to ask one question.
yeah, yeah, you can ask.
Because after learning English, what do you want to do in your life? Tell me.
Okay. I didn't think about so much, but yeah, if I get fluency, then after I want to start my institute of spoken English.
Okay, institute.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yes, this
At
plan you
first,
have, it's a
yeah,
future plan. It's a very good.
at first I want to improve my uh, own communication skill, and I want to be fluent speaker. Then after I will start my own institute. Okay, ma'am. That's my
Okay.
thinking so far.
Yes, very nice plan you have. Very nice, you can say, future plan you have. Yes, definitely you will be fluent in this language very soon. Okay,
Yeah.
because you are putting your hard work, you are putting your 100% effort in this language, so definitely you will learn. Okay.
Yeah, true, ma'am.
Okay,
So,
ma'am, now we should wrap up our session.
yeah, yeah. So, thank you for reaching out and joining me. And so, thank you so much, ma'am. And talking to you, I really enjoyed a bit of session, every bit of session. So, thank you so much reaching out, ma'am. And we will
I am
definitely
also.
meet. Yeah, ma'am. We will definitely meet soon.
Yes, yes, ma'am, we will connect together very soon.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Yes, bye.